Plugs into car harness. Power, 4-speaker. 24-pin connector. For select 2001 to 2007 Mazda vehicles. Allows for the installation of an aftermarket radio using the existing factory wiring and connectors. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfect with MX-5 Mazdaspeed. Originally bought a scosche MA03B which was missing the blue antenna wire. The Metra 70-7903 included both the blue and blue-white Bose amp wires. I just installed a Pioneer MVH-2400NEX and it's working perfectly. With a line output converter and everything is working perfectly. Note: it's a tight fit with scosche SLC 4-line output converter but doable.